If you want to transfer your WhatsApp chats from Android to iPhone or from iPhone back to Android, you don't need to worry anymore. WhatsApp has officially introduced a built-in feature that allows you to move your chats easily between both operating systems. That means you can switch your phone without losing your important conversations. Here's how to do it on iPhone. Open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Go to Settings at the bottom right. Now tap on Chats. Inside the chat section, you'll see an option called Transfer Chat History. When you open it, you'll get two options: Transfer to iPhone and Transfer to Android. Simply choose the option depending on where you want to move your chats. If you select Transfer to iPhone, follow the on-screen instructions to securely move your chat data from Android. If you select Transfer to Android, WhatsApp will guide you step by step to transfer your chats safely to your new Android device. The best part: this transfer is completely official and secure. Your data remains protected and you don't need any third-party apps. So whether you're upgrading your phone or switching between Android and iPhone, WhatsApp has made the process smooth and stress-free. No tension, no complicated steps. Just a simple solution built right inside WhatsApp.